belakang standby, jadi bundanya aja.
Wow.
Belakang bisa nggak? Tolong di belakang Rizky aja. Yang itu ya. Rizky kan deket dengan ini kabel, gak apa-apa yang ini sayang.
Semoga lancar ya.
Let's say basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Nonton film. Halo sahabat TV Al Furqan.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay. Yuk kita sapa teman-teman yang ada di rumah.
Hai, hello.
Selamat datang di acara live streaming English and Arabic Day. And today is English time. With us, me, Bunda Mar'atus Soliha. I am an English teacher in SDIT Al Furqan, Palembang. Okay, today I'm not alone here because I have a wonderful, beautiful, and handsome students here. Okay, let me to introduce them, yeah. Okay, start from who wanna be the first to be? Okay, Mr. Rizky. Mr. Rizky, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Rizky and I am from class 5 of Ayub.
Okay, Rizky. Next, Mr. Please.
Hi, my name is Edmund. I am from class 5 of Salman.
Okay, Mr. Edmund. Thank you, Mr. Edmund. Next, Mrs. Asila.
Hello, my name is Atila. I'm from 5 of Tariq.
Okay, 5 of Torik. Okay, thank you. Miss Asila have introduced herself in this event, yeah, in this program. Okay, Miss Asila, you can repeat.
Hello, my name is Asila. I'm from 5 of Tariq.
Okay, Mrs. Asila, thank you. Next, Mrs.
Hello,
Hello, my name is Lucy. I am from of 5 Bilal.
Okay, from 5 Bilal bin Rabah.
Hello, my name is Alia. I'm from 5 of Bilal.
Okay, Alia from 5 of Bilal bin Rabah. Thank you for coming, Miss and Mr. and Mrs. Okay, now, hey everyone, students, my students, do you have a hobby?
Yes.
Okay, may I know
Indeed.
what is your hobby? Okay,
My hobby is playing video games, drawing, and painting.
wow, so many hobbies you have. Okay, how about you, Mr. Edmund? Do you have hobby?
My hobby is to go on the internet and playing video games.
Oh, go on the internet and play video games. Okay, good. Mrs. Can you tell me what is your hobby?
My hobbies is play guitar and read comic book.
Oh, your hobby are playing guitar and read comic books. Great. How about you?
My hobby is play video games and take pictures.
Okay, your hobby are play video games and take pictures. Wow, you are good cameraman, camera woman, yeah, camera girl. Next, Mrs. Alia, what is your
My
hobby?
hobby is play video game and cook.
Play video games and cook. Okay. Your hobby are play video games and cook. Okay, what food do you always cook? Maybe spaghetti. Spaghetti? Spaghetti too, like Mr. Edmund? Okay, very good. Okay, my students, class.
Yes.
Do you remember the sing-a-song about hobbies?
Yes.
Okay, let we sing together.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
What does she like to do? What does she like to do?
She
likes
likes to go
on the internet.
She
likes to go to.
What do you like to do?
What do you like to do? I like to play video games. I like to ice skate too.
Great. Talking about hobbies, I have pictures and sahabat yang ada di rumah. We can learn about the vocabularies of hobbies. Okay, are you ready, students?
Yes. I'm ready.
Ready.
Oke, sahabat yang ada di rumah bisa ikutin juga pelafalannya di studio ya. What does he like to do?
He likes to build models.
Good. How about this? What does she like to do?
She likes to collect stickers.
One more time.
She likes to collect stickers.
Very good. Next, what picture I have? Do you know? Oh, this one. What does he like to do?
He likes to cook.
One more time.
He likes to cook.
Great. Oh, I have this picture. Everybody know what her hobby. What does she like to do?
She likes to ice skate.
One more time.
She likes to ice skate.
Good job. Next, I have a hobbies. This hobbies is familiar do by many peoples. This one. What does she like to do?
She likes to go on the internet.
One more time.
She likes to go on the internet.
Great job. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, you can take one picture and 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's randomly, and your duty is to make a question and answer about the picture. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Let's
I-
start from Mr. Rizky and Mrs. Asila. Okay? Okay, Mr. Rizky, please show your picture to Mrs. Asila and you give a questions and Mrs. Asila will answer. One,
What
two,
the-
three, go.
What does she like to do?
She likes to collect stickers.
Good. Now it's your turn.
What does she like to do?
She likes to ice skate.
Good. Good job. Next. Mrs. Lucy and Mr. Edmund. Please give a question and answer about hobbies. 1, 2, 3, go.
What does she like to do?
She likes to go on the internet.
Good. Mrs. Lucy, please.
What does he likes to do?
He likes to cook.
Great job. Thank you.
Cooking some food.
Mrs. Alia will be practice the vocabulary with Mr. Rizky. Who want help Mrs. Alia? Okay, Rizky, wanna help? Okay. Rizky will answer the question from Mrs. Alia. Miss Alia, go.
What does she like to do?
He likes to build models.
Great. Okay, good job. Thank you very much, kids. You can submit here, over there. Okay. Okay, now when we talk about grammar in what does she like to do or what does he like to do, when we talk about likes and likes to. Likes to means, do you know? Okay, Mr. Rizky.
Like to means suka
Iya,
melakukan.
suka. Your hobbies, suka melakukan. When we use like to and when we use likes to, what is the difference between the first phrase and the second phrase? Okay, Mr. Edmund, maybe. What is the difference?
Like to is for we, I, and you.
For subject, we, I, you. Okay.
Likes to
Hmm?
is for he and she.
He and she. One more. What subject can be used beside he and she? Do you know? The initial is I. It's for animals. Animals sometimes do some things ability. For example, whale. Eat. Oh, good job, Mr. Edmund. She, he, it. It's for animals.
It likes to.
Likes to. Sometimes we see that the whale, the
The
dolphin, dolphin likes to jump.
Birds likes to fly.
Like it's the ability, show the ability. Yeah. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. for the answers. Okay, Mr. Rizky, what do you want to talk?
Actually, like to has more than we, I, you.
Wait, what is that?
Are you Dewi?
What is that? Can you mention the words?
It they.
They. Very good. Thank you. Good job. Yeah, you are smart students. Yeah. We are you they. It's sometimes are you Dewi. Yeah, are you Dewi or Dewi are you like that. Yeah. Okay, good job. So when we talk about the sentence, what does she like to do? She like. We use likes or like.
Like.
Like. She likes to ice skate. Okay, is it true?
True.
True.
True. Very
That's
true.
How about if I say, what do you like to do?
I like to
Play
Play-
Ah,
I like to play video games.
like. Should we put S or not?
no
Why?
because it's
Because
I.
the subject is I, so we use this pattern. Okay, I like to
Play video games.
play video games. For the man, for the girl, cook. Yeah, sometimes the girls like to cook. I like to cook. Okay, and you got it from the sentence. Have you got it? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay. From this lesson, do you have a questions, guys? Okay, Rizky, you want to say something?
No.
Okay, no, you understand. Okay, let's we read together. Like to.
Like to.
Good. Like to.
Like to.
Likes to.
Likes to.
Likes to.
Likes to.
She likes to ice skate.
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 I like to cook.
I like to cook.
I like to cook.
I like to cook.
Okay. Okay, I ask you your hobby, your own hobby. Okay, start from Mrs. or Mr. Okay, what
Mister.
Mrs. or Mr. Mr. Okay, what do you like to do?
I like to draw, play video games, and
Okay.
paint.
Okay, good. Okay, Mr. Edmund. What do
My
you like to
hobby.
do?
I like to play video games
Okay,
and go
good.
on the internet.
Okay, good. Mrs. Asila, what do you like to do?
I like to play guitar and read comic books.
Good. Next, Mrs. Asila already. Next, Miss Lucy. Miss Lucy, what do you like to do?
I like to take pictures.
Okay, good. Next, Miss Alia, what do you like to do?
I like to cook and play video game.
I like to cook and play video games. Okay, thank you for your answer, students. Okay, Mrs. Mulya, what do you like to do? Okay, playing layang-layang, play the kites ya, kites ya. Oke, teman-teman yang ada di rumah, yuk kita tanya yuk, bagaimana ya cara menanyakan apa yang kamu suka lakukan bersama-sama ya. Kita tanya pemirsa yang ada di rumah. 1, 1, 2, 3, go! What do you like to do? Silakan jawab di kolom komentar ya. What do you like to do? Nah, apa sih hobi teman-teman yang ada di rumah? Silakan jawab ya. Tadi sudah dicontohkan sama teman-teman kita di studio. Ada yang go on the internet, ada yang cook, ice skate, and many others vocabulary we have learned before ya. Oke, thank you. What do you like to do? Tuh ya. Oke, kalian nggak nanya Bunda Mar'a nih.
What do you like to do?
Okay, I like to cook sometimes, and another times I like to read comic books ya. Like Miss Asila ya. Mrs. Asila, what comic book do you always read?
The Adventure of Spider-Man.
Miss Asila?
Like comic sport like Blue Lock or Haikyuu.
Oh, what the comic talking about?
Sport.
Oh, about sports. Okay, how about
Volley
you,
and-
Mister? Do you all like to read a comic book?
Not really.
Not really.
But I sometimes read comic books like Plants vs Zombies comic books.
Okay, it's about horrors comic book.
It's like
It's about a video game.
Oh yeah, okay, about video game. Okay, Rizky,
I don't read comic books, but I read manga and novel books. One of my favorite books is a Harry Potter book.
Harry Potter books. Oh, what scans? What climax? What the conflicts do you like from that novel?
The conflicts from that novel that I like is um Draco Malfoy dueling Harry Potter.
Oh, it's so very actions. Yeah, actions.
Yeah, there's a bit of action, but most of the action is in the end chapter.
Oh, at the end of the chapter is a good ending, yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Okay, Harry Potter books. Okay, good. Harry Potter. My students, Harry Potter is an English accent. So when you watch the video or the film of Harry Potter, you can learn the actions of British. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Rizky is the one reason you learn English by watching and read like that. Yeah, read the novel of Harry Potter.
Yes.
Isn't it?
I learned English by watching English videos when I was in kindergarten. I started following what they say, and when I was 8, I was fluent.
Whoa, very good. Nice. Yeah, good job. Okay, good. Yeah, it's one of way to learn English by watching a video did by Mr. Risky, and in the kindergarten you watch the video about English video, and then in the elementary school you're
Element.
fluent, yeah, in speaking English. Wow, nice, great. Yeah. Okay, good. Give applause to him. Good. Okay. Coba kita. Okay, everybody, don't go anyway. Jangan kemana-mana ya. Kita mau break dulu. After that, kita akan lanjutkan lagi materi kita belajar bahasa Inggris di hari berbahasa. Oke.
We're back, guys.
Okay, welcome back in live streaming YouTube Al-Furqan Palembang. Say hello to our friends.
Hello.
Alhamdulillah,
Hello.
welcome back, and we are going to continue our next lessons ya about introduction. Apa sih arti introduction? Yes, Rizky.
Introduction means introduksi.
Introduksi. What does it mean in Indonesia?
Perkenalan.
Perkenalan. Yes.
Perkenalan.
Berkenalan. Ya, benar ya. Kapan sih kita itu berkenalan?
Saat bertemu orang baru.
Ya, when we meet someone in the first time. Okay. Okay, Mr. Rizky.
When we are doing a presentation.
Oh, when we are doing presentation, so we meet someone ya, someone new ya, new someone ya. Okay. Okay, thank you. Introduction. Betul kata Mrs. Asila, betul kata Mr. Rizky. Ya, teman-teman semua, introduction itu perkenalan ya. Okay. Now, do you have friends from another country?
Me.
You sure?
My cousin is from Norway. My cousin is from Norway.
Norwegia.
His name is Felix.
Oh, your cousin's name is Felix from Norwegia. Oh, great. How about you, Mrs. Asila? Yes, you have a friend from
Yes,
another country.
He from Japan, and I meet she from
Meet her.
meet her from video game.
Oh, you have a friend from video games online, and she is from Japan. Oh, great. Yes, Rizky.
I have a friend that he is from the Philippines.
Oh,
I met
Philippines.
him while playing Roblox.
Oh, the Roblox gamers, yeah.
I also have some American friends too.
Oh, Americans friends too. Okay, you have two different countries friend, yeah. First from Philippines, the second from
From America.
American.
The
Oh,
United
okay.
States of America.
Okay. Okay, now we are going to talk about greetings, introduction. Okay, we are talk about language. About language. In Indonesia, we speak Indonesian, right? Yeah.
Indonesian.
In another language, what language do they speak in that language? Yeah.
Spanish, English.
Tagalog.
Okay.
I can speak Japanese.
Okay, let me to introduce you
Oh,
a picture. Okay, now this one is a flag of
Australia.
good Australia.
Australia
Okay, I
has
will ask you, what language do they speak in Australia?
English.
Good.
They also have an accent
English.
like British,
Okay.
but their accent is more.
Okay, accent is like that, yeah. Okay.
Their accent is like
Oke, please repeat after
Nor.
me. Teman-teman yang ada di rumah juga boleh, yang ada dimanapun berada boleh juga ikutin teman-teman yang ada di studio ya. Oke, what do they speak in Australia?
English.
Oke, how to say it? We can say they speak English. Okay, repeat one more time. What language do they speak in Australia?
They speak English.
Good.
English.
Next. Okay. What flag is it?
Korea.
Korea. Good. What language do they speak in Korea?
They
speak
Korean.
Okay, one more time. What language do they speak in Korea?
They
Speak
Korean.
They speak Korean. Good. Next. Oh, what flag is it?
China.
Great. China. What language do they speak in China?
Mandarin.
They speak
Chinese.
Chinese. Good. Yeah. Okay, one more time. They speak Chinese.
They speak Chinese.
What language do they speak in China?
They speak Chinese.
Good. Next. Okay. What language do they speak in Mexico?
They speak Spanish.
Okay, one more time. What language do they speak in Mexico?
They speak Spanish.
Spanish. Oke, kita ulangi dari sini ya. Oke. They speak Spanish.
They speak Spanish.
Teman-teman yang ada di rumah, 1, 2, 3.
They
They
speak
speak
Spanish.
Good. Next.
Question: why does Spanish food give you diarrhea? Like the spicy ones, that like the.
Edmund, that is very out of topic. Please
Okay.
stop.
In Spanish, have you ever gone to Mexico, Mr. Edmund?
I would like to go there, but I have no money to go there.
Where do you know if in Mexico there's a spicy food that makes someone diarrhea?
I saw it because from TV, internet, like Mexican food is very, very, very spicy, so that's why it makes you blow up.
But
Okay.
actually, Mexican foods are not that spicy. They have more not spicy food than spicy. It's just a stereotype that American people put on them.
Okay.
Guacamole.
It's based on the country, right? Someone eat is based on their habitual ya, they rempah. In Indonesia also spicy actually, but Indonesia is okay, rendang is okay spicy, but it's better ya, no problem. Okay, it's Mexico. Why make diarrhea? Maybe something's reasons. Yeah, we don't know exactly why, but it doesn't matter lah ya. Someone's experience about that.
One time when I was 9 years old, I tried making guacamole and I mixed it with Pringles and it tastes delicious.
Ya, alhamdulillah ya. Good. Oke, alhamdulillah we have to be bersyukur ya.
Experiment, ya.
Ya, bersyukur pada Allah already give us a healthy. Okay. Okay, we back to our sentence ya, to speak how to say language in a country ya. Okay, they speak Chinese.
They speak Chinese.
China.
China.
What language do they speak in China?
They speak Chinese.
Good. Okay. They speak Korean.
They
speak Korean.
What language do they speak in Korea?
They speak Korean.
Good. Next. Australia.
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 What language do they speak in Australia?
They speak
English.
Okay. From that language, what language you have mastered? Okay. Mr. Rizky, you can share your experience. What language?
English.
English. Because you have learned from the kindergarten age. Yeah. Okay, how about you, Edmund?
I learned English also from kindergarten because my kindergarten is Cipta Talenta. In
Yes.
Cipta Talenta, they mostly
Speak up in
speak
English. Oh,
English.
great. Yeah, you have to, because in Al Furqan also have us English and Arabic day, English time, English club. So you can join on to speak up your English practice. Okay, great. Okay, Mrs. Okay, how long you speak English? Berapa lama belajar bahasa Inggris? Udah dari SD ya pastinya ya.
But maybe I can speak Japanese.
Oh, you can speak Japanese. Okay. What language of Japanese? What vocabulary you can mention? For example, Japanese language.
Mungkin bisa perkenalan aja kali
Oke, boleh. Perkenalan dalam bahasa Jepang. Okay.
Konnichiwa,
Coba
watashi
ya.
wa
Okay, you can see the.
Konnichiwa, watashi wa Asila desu, dozo yoroshiku.
Oh, what does it mean?
It
Artinya apa ya?
Halo, nama saya Asila, salam kenal.
Oh, great. Boleh diulangi satu kali lagi dalam bahasa Jepangnya? 1, 2, 3, go.
Konnichiwa, watashi wa Asila desu, dozo yoroshiku.
Great.
You learn that from Duolingo.
Yes.
No,
Where you study the language from?
From her
kamus.
From dictionary. You have Japan dictionary. Oh, great. You can share your experience. You study English from Duolingo? A little bit, and sometimes from watching video, yeah. Okay, thank you. You are a great student. Already sharing us about the language, about your hobbies, about your introduction, Mr. and Miss and Mr. Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Yeah. I call you Mr. and Mrs. Miss ya, girls and boys. Okay, good. Nah, sekarang now ada kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris menanyakan perkenalan ya. Masih ingat kalimatnya? Masih ingat percakapannya? Who's that? That's my friend Diego. He's from
Mexico.
Oke, bisa ya gitu ya. Bunda akan angkat gambarnya. Kalian akan sebutkan nama dan negaranya ya. Oke. Dari ini ya, Diego dulu ya. 1, 2, who's that ya, dari who's that. 1, 2, 3, go.
Who's that?
That's my friend
Diego.
Where
is he from?
Mexico.
He's from
Mexico.
Sekarang kita tanya bahasa yang digunakan. 1, 2, 3, go. What language do they speak in Mexico? They speak Spanish. Great. Oke. Ichiro dari Korea. Ichiro dari Jepang. Yang dari China? Mingwei. Mingwei. Okay, let's start. Okay, Ahwat girls bertanya, Ihwan yang jawab. Okay. 1, 2, mulai dari Ahwat. 1, 2, 3, who's that? 1, 2, 3, go.
Who's that?
That's my friend Mingwei.
Where's she from?
She is from China.
What language they speak in China?
They speak Chinese.
Good job. Okay, sekarang Australia. Namanya adalah Kane. Kane, itu she ya.
Kane.
Or he?
She.
Okay, start from music. 1, 2, 3, go.
Who's that?
That's my friend Kate.
Where's she from?
She's from Australia. Australia.
What language they speak in Australia?
They speak English.
Okay, thank you very much. May I borrow it? Okay, great. Thank you very much for my students have
Yeah.
already studied together with the friends in the home and everywhere. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Oke, jangan lupa saksikan terus live streaming YouTube SDIT Al Furqon Palembang. Mulai pukul berapa? pukul 8.30 dan pukul 10.30. Hanya di mana?
Hanya
Di channel YouTube SDIT Al Furqon Palembang. See you.
See you. Goodbye, friends.
Di channel